Cutting branches shouldn't require a heavy, bulky chainsaw. Traditional chainsaws can be hard to control, loud, and exhausting for small yard jobs. That's why mini chainsaws have become so popular. They're lightweight, portable, and powerful enough for pruning, trimming, and quick DIY tasks. In this video, I'll show you the best mini chainsaws that combine cutting power, portability, and safety features for effortless yard work. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw Cordless, a compact and beginner-friendly option designed for quick pruning and light yard work. Mini chainsaws like this are popular because they're lightweight, portable, and easy to operate compared to traditional gas chainsaws. They're especially useful for trimming branches, cutting small logs, and maintaining garden trees without hauling out a heavy tool. The CEEPUY model features a small guide bar that's ideal for cutting branches up to a few inches thick. Its cordless design means you don't need gas or extension cords. Just charge the battery and start cutting. That convenience is one of the biggest advantages of modern mini chainsaws, making them great for homeowners who want a quick solution for yard maintenance. Mini chainsaws are known for their portability and ease of use, often weighing just a few pounds and designed for one-handed operation. Another highlight is the safety design. Many mini chainsaws include a safety lock and protective guard to reduce accidental starts and protect your hands from flying debris. These safety features are especially helpful for beginners or occasional users. The main drawback is power. Compared to larger pruning chainsaws, this model is best suited for lighter tasks such as trimming shrubs, cutting small branches, or maintaining garden trees. Still, if you want an affordable, lightweight, and easy-to-use mini chainsaw for occasional yard work, the CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw Cordless is a solid starting point and earns the number 5 spot on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the CC Mini Chainsaw, a popular cordless pruning saw that balances portability and cutting performance. For homeowners who frequently trim branches or maintain trees in their yard, this type of compact chainsaw offers a practical alternative to traditional bulky equipment. The CC chainsaw is designed with a lightweight body and ergonomic handle, making it comfortable to use even during longer trimming sessions. One of the biggest advantages of mini chainsaws like this is their ability to handle pruning tasks quickly while still being small enough for tight spaces. Compact cordless chainsaws are ideal for light pruning and trimming jobs that would otherwise require manual saws or heavier equipment. This model usually includes multiple batteries, which significantly improves runtime. Having a spare battery means you can swap it out and continue working instead of waiting for a recharge, a feature many homeowners appreciate during larger yard cleanups. The cutting chain is designed for smooth performance on branches and small logs, making it useful for trimming fruit trees, clearing storm debris, or cutting firewood pieces for small outdoor projects. Safety features such as a lock-off switch and guard help prevent accidental starts. While it's powerful for its size, it's not meant for cutting thick tree trunks or heavy-duty logging. Instead, it excels at everyday pruning and garden maintenance. Taking the number 3 position is the Works Nitro Cordless Brushless Chainsaw, WG325, a well-known mini chainsaw that combines power, safety, and portability. One of the biggest advantages of this tool is its brushless motor, which provides stronger cutting performance and longer motor life compared to standard brushed motors. Brushless technology also improves efficiency, meaning you get more work done on a single battery charge. The Works Nitro is designed for homeowners who want a dependable tool for regular yard maintenance. It weighs only a few pounds, making it easy to maneuver for trimming branches or clearing fallen limbs. Lightweight pruning saws like this are especially useful for overhead cutting and tight areas where a full-size chainsaw would be difficult to control. Another standout feature is its safety design. The saw includes a protective handguard and retractable chain guard that help reduce kickback risks and protect the user while cutting. Safety features such as these are critical because mini chainsaws can still cut quickly despite their small size. The battery platform is also a major advantage. If you already use other works tools, you can often share the same battery system, making it a convenient addition to your tool collection. While it's not built for heavy logging work, it performs extremely well for pruning, trimming, and light cutting tasks. At number 2 is the Ryobi 18-volt brushless compact pruning mini chainsaw, a highly capable pruning tool designed for homeowners and DIY users. This mini chainsaw stands out for its compact design and brushless motor, which delivers faster and more efficient cutting performance. Brushless motors are known for providing better efficiency and durability than older motor designs, helping the saw handle tough branches while extending battery life. The Ryobi pruning chainsaw uses a small guide bar that's ideal for trimming branches, cutting limbs, and performing routine yard maintenance. Despite its compact size, the brushless motor can deliver up to 40% faster cutting speeds when paired with compatible batteries, making it surprisingly powerful for a handheld tool. Another advantage is convenience. The saw features toolless chain tensioning, allowing you to adjust the chain quickly without additional tools. This helps reduce downtime and makes maintenance much easier for beginners. Ryobi's battery platform is also a big selling point. If you already own other Ryobi tools, you can use the same 18-volt batteries across multiple devices, saving money and simplifying charging. The only limitation is cutting capacity. Like most mini chainsaws, it's best suited for branches and small logs rather than large trees. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Milwaukee M12 hatchet pruning saw, one of the most powerful and professional-grade mini chainsaws available. Milwaukee designed this tool specifically for arborists, landscapers, and homeowners who need a compact saw capable of serious cutting performance. Unlike many budget mini chainsaws, the M12 hatchet uses Milwaukee's high-quality motor system and durable construction to deliver reliable performance even under demanding conditions. The saw features a compact guide bar that allows it to handle pruning, branch removal, and light firewood cutting with ease. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive cutting power and control, making it ideal for trimming trees, clearing storm debris, or maintaining wooded property. Another major advantage is the ergonomic design and balance. Milwaukee tools are known for their professional feel, and this pruning saw provides excellent grip and stability, helping reduce fatigue during longer tasks. Safety is also well addressed, with protective guards and a secure trigger system to reduce accidental starts. Compact cordless chainsaws like this are valued for their ability to deliver serious cutting power while remaining easy to handle and maneuver.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!